Hi, this is Prashant from Computer Science and Engineering Department of third year. Today I am going to do the 8th experiment in database system lab, that is procedure and function. Let's see first what is procedure and what is function. Procedure. A procedure is a module of performing one or more action. It does not need to return any values, and the syntax for creating procedure is create or replace a procedure name and parameter, and you have to insert the parameter. Either you have to use as or is keyword, and you have to give local declaration, then you have to give begin, then you have to execute executable statements, you have to return, then you have to give exception, and you have to give exceptional handlers, then you have to give end, then at last you have to give slash for compiling. Then a procedure may have 0 to n number of elements or parameters. Every procedure has two parts. One is a header part and another one is a keyword part, that is after. This is the example of a procedure, creating a procedure. This is the types of parameters: in, out, and in and out. Function. Function is nothing but a type of stored code, or very similar to procedure. The main difference between the function and procedure is a procedure does not return a value, whereas functions return a value. The syntax are almost similar to procedure. Here, create or replace function name, then you have to list your parameter, and you have to return a data type, and you have to write your data type, and you have to give is or as keyword and begin, then you have to write your body, which is what you have to give input, then return, after return a statement or value, then you have to give it. Now let's see the questions. First they are given me. This is the question. Our aim is to create a procedure and functions. First question is create a stored procedure which displays the name and cust ID for the customer whose booking ID is passed as parameter. We have to give create or replace procedure name, that is common number, is cust ID d1 number 5, and login name. And you varchar here I have used, then you have to use begin, then select customer ID, login name, cust ID1, which is in your customer details table. You have to use where condition, and cust ID is equal to select customer ID from booking, where booking number. From booking means your booking table, where booking number is num. Then you have to give for output dbms underscore output dot put underscore line, and customer ID 1, the symbol we have to use login name. Then your procedure will be created, and you have to execute, then you will get the Alexandria as your. Second question, create a stored procedure that receives the car ID and price as parameter. It then prices the price of the car details and car details. Here also same, we are going to create or replace a procedure of procedure name, and used is car ID is a parameter, car ID number 5, sorry, is a condition, and base price per day, days number, or base price per day, whatever it is actually I will tell you. What you have written in a table, you have to give them. Update price details at base price per day. Base price is equal to base price per day plus price, where car ID is equal to ID, and have to give n to execute the statement. your procedure will be created. Then if you give select star from price details to see your price details table, and we have to execute procedure 1 with the value 101, 200, 300. Then you will get your procedure details will be successfully completed, and again you have to execute for a change, that is select star. And third question is create a stored procedure which takes booking date and customer ID as input. The procedure should display the number of days the car has been booked, and this is your table. Create or replace procedure name, booking date, comma, first ID number. Then you have to give condition begin, then select query you have to write, then your procedure will be created. Then you have to give select start from booking from your booking table, your procedure will be created. Then write the procedure that deletes the car record whose car ID number is passed to it. If such car number is not existing, twice no data found exception. Create or replace procedure when car ID number is begin, delete from car ID where car ID equal to car ID. This application have 2000, 24,000, you have to give parameters here, and your procedure will be created. For execute, you have to give exit proper, etc. Then fifth question is write a function to display price of booking with given booking number. Here you have to use create or replace function, then you have to return a value, and you will use is price number, then you have to use begin, then you have to write a select query, you have to return value, and etc. Similarly, sixth one. Thank you.